To insert SIM card in Oppo Find X9 Pro, first of all, you will need to grab your phone and then find the SIM tray, which should be located right here. Now grab a SIM ejection tool, which is included with the phone, and then stick the SIM ejection tool into this gap right here. Now push on it until the slot is opened, and after that you can safely remove it using your fingernails. And now next step is to grab your SIM card. It needs to be nano SIM card. In this case here I have the SIM card that is cut out manually, and your SIM card probably looks a bit different, but what you need to do is align it with the slot so that the cutout right there fits nicely, and just slide it in. Make sure it doesn't overgap right when you look at it like that, and then you can grab it again and just slide it back into your phone. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.